Welcome to Dr. Derma AI. Get ready for a satisfying acne transformation.
In this video, we are observing a professional acne extraction and skin cleansing process. At the beginning, we can see the skin affected by clogged pores and acne buildup. This usually happens when oil, dead skin cells, and impurities accumulate under the skin surface over time. As the treatment begins, the goal is to carefully open and clean the clogged pores without damaging the surrounding skin. This step requires precision and proper hygiene to avoid irritation or infection. During the extraction process, different types of impurities are being removed from the skin. This helps reduce inflammation and allows the skin to breathe more easily. It is important to understand that acne is not only a surface issue, but it is often linked to internal factors such as hormones, stress levels, diet, and skincare routines. As we continue, we can notice the gradual improvement in skin texture. The pores are becoming cleaner, and the skin starts to look less inflamed and more balanced. Dermatologists always recommend avoiding touching or squeezing acne at home, as it can lead to scarring or worsening of the condition. Instead, proper treatment in a controlled environment, along with a consistent skincare routine, is the safest approach for long-term improvement. Now we are reaching the final stage of the procedure, where the skin appears significantly cleaner compared to the beginning. However, it is important to mention that post-treatment care is essential. Hydration, gentle cleansing, and avoiding harsh products help the skin recover properly. This video is for educational and informational purposes only, and it aims to raise awareness about proper skincare practices and acne treatment.
If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Derma AI for more satisfying skincare videos. Thanks for watching.